Welcome to our guided meditation, centered around the gentle energies of the rose quartz, the stone of unconditional love and infinite peace. As you find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, allow your eyes to close softly. Begin to tune into the natural rhythm of your breath, inviting in a sense of calm and relaxation. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with purifying air. And as you exhale, imagine any tension releasing from your body. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation, grounded and at ease. Visualize in front of you a glowing rose quartz crystal. Its soft pink light is warm and inviting, radiating pure love and healing energy. As you focus on this stone, allow its essence to connect with your heart chakra, situated in the center of your chest. Breathe in deeply, drawing in the rose quartz energy. And as you exhale, envision this loving energy swirling through your heart chakra, soothing and opening it. Feel a sense of love for yourself and others blossoming within. Now imagine this pink light spreading from your heart to every part of your body. With each breath, the nurturing energy of the rose quartz flows to your other chakras, aligning them, bringing harmony and balance to your entire being. As you continue to breathe, visualize the energy of the rose quartz amplifying. With every inhale, it grows brighter, and with every exhale, it releases what no longer serves you. Stay in this space of healing for a few moments, allowing the energy of the rose quartz to work through you, restoring and revitalizing your spirit. In this sacred space of healing, feel the nurturing presence of the rose quartz envelop you. Its gentle caress heals past wounds, instills deep inner peace, and strengthens the bond with your own spirit. With each breath, allow the crystal's energy to flow through you more freely, touching every corner of your being. It travels up from the heart chakra to the throat, enabling heartfelt communication, and up to the third eye, illuminating this radiant energy, reaching the crown of your head, creating a halo of soft pink light around you, connecting you to the universal love that surrounds us all. You are encased in a cocoon of compassion and kindness, and it's from this place of profound love that you can find true clarity and purpose. As you continue to meditate, let the rose quartz's energy inspire thoughts of love for yourself, for your loved ones, and for the world. Feel the barriers around your heart dissolve as you allow yourself to give and receive love unconditionally. The crystal's vibration encourages forgiveness, washing away grudges and bitterness, leaving only space for love and harmony. As you breathe in, affirm to yourself that you are love and that you possess an endless capacity for compassion. draws to a close, begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes, returning to the present moment. Carry with you this feeling of love and tranquility throughout your day. If you wish to deepen your connection with the healing energy of rose quartz, you'll find links in the description below to select your own crystal from Amazon. Thank you for joining this meditation. May you move forward with love and grace.